of my party. No selected candidate. Only waitlisted fellows are here. 4.5 years. All those points were raised. And we are substantive. Our main fundamental point. How does the High Court terminate? If you are a substantive employee, you have to have an inquiry. That's a basic requirement of 311 that you have to have an inquiry. No inquiry. The High Court terminates because the single judge, who is just now retired, the single judge will not terminate it. The court has no power to terminate. The court can direct an authority. Look at it. How does the court become an appointing authority to terminate 35,000 people? We will show small. I must say, these fellows will not be out of job. There are 4 people per job who are dependent and 24,000 not down. May I have a moment? This is something which requires your lordship consideration. May I have a moment, my lord? But we have all been directed to be taken in custody. I appear for the commission, my lord.
If there are other petitions,
yes, there are
the numbers to the court master. So
we will get the numbers, sir. No, there's no such election. But I appear for the commission, my lord. Give me a minute. I appear for the commission, my lord. We have to take out an appeal. We have, my lord, several issues to raise before your lordship, my lord. Yes. We had said that we are in a position to check up who are the tainted persons and who are the untainted persons. Because CBI only identified a few persons as being tainted. On that basis, my lord, the court says incorrectly that it is not possible to segregate. We have made a specific submission that we are prepared to segregate. Your lordship's judgment say that very much possible.
I find that the CBI report at page 281 that says that they have identified 952 candidates for 9th and 10th.
Exactly.
And about 907 for 11th and 12th.
Yes. So there are 10% of a particular category. That's 10% below. Or 900 you throw out 9,000. But that's a the lordships have said if you can separate the trade, hard blood and proof that they all properly do it. There are 3 other issues.
Your lordship judgment in 2012 in Delhi, Malad Election Commission. All 94 other till in all such Malad play the records are not available. There is no question of ability to segregate any one of them, and therefore your lordship decided.
But the evidence has been accepted so far.
And all appointments have been set aside in all those cases.
It's minus no judgment.
High Court is not a power to do it. That's the High Court, Malad, your lordship in Srita Yadav said, if the record had disappeared and High Court has raised and that I can't do anything, your lordship said High Court should have enabled it and should have passed the order.
Okay, the High Court did not go. I need to highlight the huge scam, all the ministers are in custody.
Let all other matters which are being filed now or which have already been filed at the board today, they be listed together. We keep this on next Monday. We just like some order so that, if you can just indicate to us what are the categories.
Yes.
So, there's no point.
4 categories.
So if you can just divide into categories, likewise also on your side. So that we have a clear picture of which are those categories in which these different cases fall.
But the OMR sheet disappeared, no record.
There's only one was 36.1 and 36 not wrongly filed. These 2 SLSTs but cannot be kept to refer. I need to
tell it this way. OMR sheets are completely missing. The OMR sheets are destroyed.
No.
The OMR sheets are destroyed. They say not even in the mirror server.
What is accepted below?
We'll have to demonstrate that finding is incorrect.
Not with great respect, under the rules. The OMR of 2016 job has been put in the market. What are the rules provide?
How long do the OMR sheets?
1 year. 1 year or 2 years. We are now 8 years out. How can you keep a record?
Yes.
Nobody can keep a record of not people. Not required.
221. Mr. Ralki, consider this. The OMR sheets are now not available for whatever reason.
Yes.
How do you separate the valid from the invalid?
Let them produce the OMR sheet before you start. There are secondary material available. Oh, what happened? This evidence has been gone into by the court and the court says it is admissible. Yes. Under 65B. I am not challenging that, but if that is so, it can be verified. The CBI has used that material.
The SSC has accepted
But he
that.
said the certificate should by accused.
All of you demonstrate to the court that it is possible to say in all these matters. Question is whether you can segregate. I dealt with the Delhi matter with beyond.
Yes,
We said that it's not possible to segregate in that case. You have Kellon's case. You know, there are cases on both sides.
Correct, both sides.
You have to demonstrate that, well, on the basis of material available, it is possible to segregate.
Yes, do that.
So those, because we quite see,
Let them show.
terminate 25,000 people is of a very high order.
Yes, correct.
Unless you are left in a situation where the entirety of the process is wrought with fraud.
That is
To us that, you know, there is material to indicate as to who are the beneficiaries of fraud and those people whose appointments are clearly not.
There are 240. They prepare. So commission gives a table that these are identified, these are not complete, and we can't tell you how many more. Let the commission admission.
No, Mr. Happy.
At the end of
It is an incorrect statement. We said we can.
we will have to hear the matter. It's not a matter which we can just, you know,
That's
30-20 matter.
But it takes up only one day, we shall clarify.
8 and 9.
We want some factual clarity.
Yes, sir.
Because when the matter opens, please make sure that, you know, whoever argues in an order. So there should be some element of clarity, because the High Court may have added, they have seen the matter expound before themselves. We don't have it. So we'll look at it threadbare.
absolutely, we agree.
Direction 8 and 9 should be stayed.
The wrong SLP file, my lord, the lead petitioners was not had there. It is completely different petition. Let them correct it.
All right.
Because direction 8 and 9 should be stayed.
What is happening between
Let them not. This is election time and the cabinet.
I'll tell you, Lordship, what will happen is
date of the judgment?
22nd April. Now, my lord, I'll tell you about
That is right in the middle of election.
officers will be there, some on election duty, otherwise will not reach up right to the bottom till the top. Whoever was involved with the preparation of the cabinet note, whoever the CBI wants to take and pick up a custodial interrogation, that's what
Even the cabinet has passed the order.
Yeah, we are all.
We are on election duty.
I am waiting for 39. I am waiting for your lordships to rise.
Oh, you're not in this
I am
matter.
not in this matter. 39. I have conveyed to Mr. Bhushan.
I mean, 38% give me
Raju.
Oh, you're not in this matter.
No, it was 11,000 small persons who have been due for. I mean, that matter.
Yes, okay.
My lord, I have conveyed to
Same matter.
Mr. Bhushan, my lord, I have conveyed that the Honorable Court may take a call on my request. If he is here, my lord.
We'll allow you to take copies of the report, Mr. Bhushan, and the report of the Secretary of the District Legal Services Committee, District Legal Service Authority, Achar, has been received. The registry shall supply copies to Mr. Prashant Bhushan, direct counsel to the petitioner, and the advocate instructing Mr. Tushar Mehta, list on the list it next Monday.
Monday, my lord.
Please take it up next Monday.
I have a
Please, Lord.
request. Item number
Mr. Raju, your matter,
Yes.
we'll take it up. We'll take it on this week, or you want to take it up next week? You were supposed to give us a short. Just hand over the note to the court master. We'll take it up next Monday.
But in this matter also, CBI should be represented because CBI report will be done.
Preparing for CBI in this matter.
In this matter, Mr. Raju had acted one point.
You're not, it's not that matter.
No.
Are you appearing, Raju, or?
We will appear, my lord. Today we are not here for that matter. We don't have papers. But if they can give, my lord,
Yes, let someone have that.
To Mr. Raju or solicitor.
I'm told we have served. Mr.
Given additional copies.
Very well, I know. But in the meantime, no precipitative steps in terms of freezing people.
Because we are also asking for stay. We are on election duty. There are no
That
now.
nothing is going to be affected. You are
I'm sorry, you can't go home.
1 second.
Our employment stands terminated as of today.
There are no
terminated.
The Lordship will grant an order of status quo.
The whole officer of the government who is involved with the cabinet board can be picked up today as per this direction.
Status quo means of your service. Why? Yes, status quo.
Every officer, any stay would amount to because people are sanctioned with the corrupt appointment. And the supernumerary posts can today be arrested for custodial interrogation if direction 8 and 9 are to be implemented.
I could say
The apprehension arrest will be taken care of, but nothing else.
I collect them into custodial.
And this is when a single
investigation
when a single judge of the same High Court has stayed the cabinet note, an issue which is not argued, not before the division bench. You direct every.
Sir, the judgment. Sir, I am making a request for 24,000 people.
What we do is, what we
Requesting for a stay of termination.
small Roman 8
Yes.
and para 363.
My lord, your lordships are going to have it on Monday, my lord.
But 8 says CBI will undertake further investigation with regard to
8 and 9 is sufficient.
8. Insofar as 7 is concerned, we are not staying 7.
Yes.
But
8 and 9.
CBI will undertake further investigation with regard to the persons involved in the state government, approving creation of supernumerary posts to accommodate illegal appointments. If
Only 8 is enough.
No, so 8 is.
CBI will only stay 8
Yes,
and 8.
Sir, what about 2? Our termination of 24,000 people. Nothing more than that. Have been serving for 8 years.
But I am not here for that, but I am not aware of.
This list on Monday, till next Monday ka date dal do. No precipitate step shall be taken in pursuance of the directions contained in small Roman 8 of paragraph 363 of the order.
Kindly consider our
We'll see that after we hear everybody. But today we are just asking an order.
1,000 people should not be terminated.
Mr. Singh, we are seized to the matter. We are keeping it next Monday. The other petitions which have come in, today we didn't want something CBI to precipitate. We have some clause 8. We have protected that. That's all.
We are grateful ones.
illegal appointees without any.
Protect, yes.
Yes, sir.
May I have my lord's indulgence?
Very grateful,
My lords, may I have my lord's indulgence?
Just one second. We have 37. We have to take up 37, which is the French.